What is before your eyes is the Hollyland Lark M2S wireless microphone system, a compact, powerful and feature-packed microphone setup for content creators, filmmakers and vloggers, whether you're shooting with a camera, smartphone or laptop. This little powerhouse promises top-tier audio quality, a 30-hour battery life and seamless connectivity. Right out of the box, the first thing you see is the charging case. On the front, there is a battery indicator LED that lights up to show the charging status of the pack. At the back of the charging case is a USB-C charging port. It quickly allows you to top up the case's battery. Once fully charged, the case provides 2.5 full recharges for your transmitters and receivers, giving you a total of 30 hours of usage. Let's see what's inside the charging case. There are two wireless transmitters, which are basically the microphones. There is a camera receiver, a USB receiver, and thanks to the magnetic locking system, these components snap into place effortlessly, ensuring that they stay put while charging. Each unit charges via magnetic pins, making it super easy to power up without fiddling the ports or cables. Let's look at the camera receiver. This is small but powerful. It's a device that has a lot going on. It has charging pins located at the bottom, which allow the receiver to charge inside the case. There is a power button. Press and hold it to turn it on and off. There is a USB port found on the side, which enables direct power supply or connection to digital devices. We also have a 3.5mm jack port, which connects to your camera mic's input for real-time audio capture. And there is a mounting clip that makes it easy to attach securely to your camera. It also has some LED indicators. These show the receiver status. The power LED confirms it's on, while the noise cancellation LED lets you know when the noise reduction mode is activated. The noise adjustment knob lets you fine-tune the noise cancellation. Turning the knob to adjust the levels while pressing it toggles noise cancellation on and off. When it's on, it's green, and when it's off, it's blue. Next are the transmitters, which are basically the microphones. These are compact, ultra-wide, and incredibly well built. There is a button on each transmitter. It's used as a power button and also one for pairing. Just like the receiver, there are magnetic pins on the transmitters, allowing them to charge wirelessly in the case. The receiver also comes with an aluminum clip, which makes it easier to attach the transmitter to clothing. When I'm talking of the transmitter, I mean the microphones. Now, these microphones are said to have a range of 300 meters, which is 980 feet in an open environment. You get clear crystal audio even when recording at a distance. They are omnidirectional and you can record from any direction. We also have the USB mobile receiver. Now this is for smartphone users. Hollyland includes a USB-C receiver. Just plug it into your phone's USB-C port and you're ready to go. The receiver comes with two indicator lights, which display the connection status for the microphones. There's also a button that allows you to adjust settings directly from the receiver. Apart from whatever is in the charging case, there is a bag, a stylish and protective bag for your microphone system. In it, contains a USB-A to USB-C cable for the charging case and devices. There are also two windscreens that help you reduce wind noise, making your audio clearer when recording outdoors. Now, the Hollyland Lark M2S is lightweight, making it comfortable to wear for long hours. You simply clip it on your shirt, collar or jacket and you're good to go. Before you continue, allow me to show you how to connect the Hollyland Lark M2S wireless microphones to the MacBook M3. The first thing you'll do is to take out the camera receiver from the charging case. Next, you'll need a USB-C to USB-C cable, which you'll plug directly into the camera receiver, then follow it up into the MacBook Air's M3 USB-C port. Once the receiver is connected to the laptop will ask you for permission to allow the M3 access the camera receiver. Once you allow it, go to the system settings, then sound settings. Under the input section, you'll see wireless microphone. Now this is the Hollyland Lark M2S, which shows or appears on the screen and shows that it has connected to the laptop. One thing I'll tell you is that it is connected. Just look at the input level and you'll see the bar going up and down.